Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Shan step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write. Shan, Shan, mountain. Hill. For example, 山村 山村 mountain village. He lives in a small village. 他住在一个小山村。He lives in a small village.他住在一个小山村。山村。他住在 He lives 住 live 在一个小山村。He lives in a small village. 他住在一个小山村。山 in cursive. 山 mountain, hill. 山村 mountain village. He lives in a small village. 他住在一个小山村。山 Okay, please comment any words or sentence with the character Shan. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.